good.
The Mahindra XUV 300 is priced between Rs 7.99 lakh and Rs 14.61 lakh, ex-showroom pan-India. Variants. It is offered in 5 broad variants, W to W4, W6, W8 and W8O. The Turbo Sport version is available on all trims except the base spec W2. Colors. Mahindra offers it in 3 dual-tone and 7 monotone exterior shades, blazing bronze dual-tone, Napoli black dual-tone, pearl white dual-tone, red rage, aquamarine, pearl white, dark grey, D-sat silver, Napoli black, blazing bronze. Seating capacity. It has a capacity to seat 5 passengers. Boot space. It comes with a boot space of 259 liters. Engine and transmission. It gets 3 engine options, including 2 petrol and 1 diesel engine. A 1.2-liter turbo petrol unit, 110 PS 200 Nm, 1.5-liter diesel engine, 117 PS 300 Nm, and a TGDI 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine, 130 PS up to 250 Nm. All these engines are mated to a 6-speed manual, while the diesel engine and the turbo petrol also get a 6-speed AMT option. Features. Features on board the XUV 300 include a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a single-pane sunroof, and cruise control. Mahindra has also provided it with auto AC, rain-sensing wipers, and connected car tech. Safety. On the safety front, it gets up to 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, corner braking control, and front and rear parking sensors. Rivals. The XUV 300 competes with the Nissan Magnite, Hyundai Venue, Renault Kiger, Tata Nexon, Kia Sonet, Maruti Suzuki Brezza and Maruti Fronx. 2024 Mahindra XUV 300. The facelift Mahindra XUV 300 has been spied again, this time with new alloy wheels and connected tail lamps. Pros. Best in segment features. Best price compared to competition. Lots of safety features, global platform, 7 airbag offering. Great performance. Cheetah-inspired front look, headlamp connecting to fog lamp. Mahindra's after-sales service. Better resale value. Cons. Less space compared to competition. Not so attractive rear look, few may like, few may not. Low ground clearance 180 mm less than the competition. For more car reviews, subscribe our YouTube channel, Cars Squad.